Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you? Well, very good. Okay, in previous lecture I have taught you formation of letter A and B. Okay, so you know how to make formation of letter A and B. Okay, today I will explain once again to you how you will write formation of letter A and B. Okay, 4 lines were there. Okay, 4 lines were there. So how you will make A? Baseline to headline to baseline, head slanting line, then another slanting line, sleeping line. A. Okay. Then half circle in middle line, baseline, then small slanting line. What is this? A. 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 Okay. A. A. What is this? A. This is Mama A and this is baby A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for what? Arrow. Repeat. A. Apple. Ant. Okay. The next letter was what was the next letter? It's from headline to baseline, half circle, B. Okay, headline to baseline, standing line, then half circle, B. Then headline to baseline, standing line, then in middle line to baseline, half circle. B. Which letter is this? B. 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 Okay. In previous lecture we have studied this and you have done in your notebook also. Okay. I will check this your homework. Okay. Now today we will learn to make formation of letter C. Okay. Which letter? C. Now look here. How to make C? Which line is this? Headline, middle line, baseline, lower line. Okay. To make C, we will start from headline to baseline, half curve. Headline to baseline, half curve. C. C for, do you know C for? C for? C for cat. C for cat. Okay. C for cat. C for cat. Okay. Then C for cup. You drink tea or milk in cup. C for cup. Okay. Then C for what? Did you know C for? What is this? Cat. C for cup. Okay. Then C for, or you know anything? Which object comes from C for? What is C for? Cat, cup, then C for cup, C for cat. Okay. This is Mama C and this is baby C. Okay. and baby C will, how you will make baby C? Half circle between middle line and base line. Between middle line and base line, you will make half circle. So it's baby, it's Mama C and it's baby. What is sound of baby C? K. K. Mama C and baby C. K. Cat. Cup. Okay. Again, I will teach you how to make Mama C. So you have to practice in your notebook. Okay. How you will write? Take a pencil, eraser and notebook and start writing with me. Okay? How you will write? From headline to baseline, half circle. From headline to baseline, half circle. C. Okay? C. Write properly and take your parents' help. Okay? Take your parents' help. Write C like this. From baseline, from headline to baseline, half circle. First you making your air from headline to baseline, half circle, half curve. Okay? C. What is this? C. Okay? You have to start right with me. From headline to baseline, half circle. C. Okay? From headline to baseline, half circle. C. Okay, first you practice in air like this, half circle. Okay, C. Again, from headline to baseline, half circle. C. Again, you start from headline to baseline, half circle. C. From headline to baseline, half circle. C. Headline to baseline, half circle. C. Okay? Understand? How to write C? C for cat, C for cup. Okay? Then next we will learn letter D. Which letter we will learn? Letter D. Okay? After C, D. First letter is A, B, C, then after that D. Okay? You have to write one page. See, you have to write one page in your notebook with help of your parents, and you have to write neatly and in proper lines. Okay? Proper lines you have to make neatly. Take your eraser and pencil also with you when you are writing now. Then, okay. What is this? Do you know what is this? Dog. Which letter is this? D. Which letter is this? D. Which letter is this? D. How you will make D? Standing line, then half curve. D. Okay. How you will make? Make with me. Standing line, then half curve. D. D for dog. D for dog. Make like this. Standing line, then half curve. D. Okay. standing line and half curve D. How you will make? D for dog, D for door, D for doll, D for dog. How do dog say? Bhav bhav. Okay. Have you dog? Have you have dog at your home? Yes or not? Yes. Okay. D for door, D for door, and D for dot. This is dot. D for dot. D for dot. Dot is like a full stop. Dot. This is dot. D for dot. Okay. D for door. What is this? Door. You have door at your home. You open the door and enter at your home now? Enter in your home? Yes. And at night when we sleep, we close door. Okay? Before sleeping at night you close the door? Okay. Door. D for dot. D for door. D for dog. Okay. D for dot. D for door. D for dog. Okay. What is this? Dog. D for dog. Okay. D for duck. Have you seen duck? Yellow color duck. Yes. D for duck. D for duck. Okay. D for duck. What does duck say? Quack quack. What does duck say? Quack quack. Say na? Yes, duck say quack quack. Okay. Now we will learn how to write D. Formation of D. From headline to baseline, standing line. What you will write? How you will write? Headline to baseline, standing line, then half curve. D. What is this? D. D for dot, D for door, D for duck, D for dog. Okay. Again, we will learn how to make D. Okay. How you will write D? Standing line, half circle. D. Standing line, half circle. D. Standing line, make standing line, half circle. Okay, make in air. First make in air. Standing line, half circle. D. Okay. The curve of C will in face of C will be this side. Okay, and face of D will be at C side. Okay, and this is Mamma D. Which D is this? Mamma D. Okay, again standing line, half circle. D. D for dot. D for door. D for duck. Quack quack. What duck say? Quack quack. Again, in next line we will write D. Okay. How you will write? Standing line, half circle. D. How? Standing line and half circle. D. Again, standing line, half circle. D. Standing line, half circle. D. Standing line, half circle. D. D for dot. D for door. D for duck. Duck say quack quack. Okay. Again, in next line, we will start writing D. Okay. You have to make neat and clean in your notebook. Okay. So you can take help of your parents also. Again, standing line, then half curve, half circle, D. Okay, D for dot, D for door, D for duck. Standing line, half circle, D. Standing line, half circle, D. Okay, again, standing line, half circle, D. This C and D both you have to write in your notebook. One page of C and one page of D. Okay, this is your homework. C for cat, C for cup, D for dot, D for door, D for duck. Okay, now we will learn rhyme. Okay, you have to repeat after me. Now we will start with rhyme an apple D. An apple a day. Okay, start with me. You have to repeat after me. One line I will say and next line you have to say. An apple a day. An apple a day. Repeat after me. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Keeps the doctor away. Apple in the morning, apple at night keeps me healthy, wealthy and bright. Okay, again we will repeat. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple in the morning, apple at night keeps me healthy, wealthy and bright. An apple a day, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple in the morning, apple at night keeps me healthy, wealthy and bright. Okay, clap for everyone. Very good. Very good. You have to practice this rhyme with actions. Okay, you have to practice this rhyme with action and sing it properly every day. Every day, twice or thrice you have to practice this rhyme at your home. Okay. One sight word is there. So today you learn this sight word. Sight word is I, S, is. I, S, is. This is a pen. This is an apple. I, S, is. I, S, is. Okay? Repeat at your home and do your work neatly and properly. Take help of your parents. Okay? Bye. Have a nice day. Okay? And look after you. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.